Hi, it's me again, Karen Baker, and I've been asked to come back to Curious Mondo, which I'm always excited to do. We've done our Santa class, we've done our elves class, and this time we're doing a little animal. I'm not sure, anthropomorphic, what's it called when you do an animal that's like a human? I don't know, but anyway, we're gonna do an animal that's a character that's kind of humanized. So he's dressed, he's holding an implement of some kind, and he's going to be a lot of fun. We've chosen to do a rabbit, but in this course, we'll talk about doing any kind of animal that you might be excited to do. A bear, a pig. Our little rabbit here is going to be dressed in overalls. He'll have a little collared shirt that we will go ahead and learn how to do in the class. The class is going to be 4 days long this time because it does take that long to learn how to do a proper costume. So we're going to go through the head, hands, feet, the body armature, how to paint. The bonus class might include this little implement that he's going to be holding, and it's going to be a lot of fun. So join us on Curious Mondo, and we'll see you then.